Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Word. So how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First we go to Insert. Then tap Menu Chart. And the Insert Chart menu will come out. Tap Pie. Then select the pie chart to be used. Finally tap OK. And the pie chart will come out on the Word page. And here we can edit the pie chart. Here we can change the title by clicking Sales then typing the title. To change the data, it can be changed in the data table below. In the series chart can be replaced with the data you want to enter. To display data details, the method is to direct the cursor to the graph. Then tap Pie Chart. Tap plus which is on the right side of the graph. And select Data Labels. You can also change the type of pie chart. The method is to tap as in the arrow. Here there are many choices of pie chart types that you can choose according to your needs. And you can also change the color of the pie chart. How to? Tap Change Color. And a color selection menu will appear. Okay, so that's the tutorial on how to make a pie chart in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.